Hello everyone. I'm Roberto, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw Luffy. If you like this video and you want me to make more videos like this, press the like button. I will display the reference picture in the top left corner of the screen. Let's begin. Start with a circle. Now, if we want our drawing to be symmetrical, we have to mark the center line. Then a horizontal line in the middle of the circle. This will be the bottom of the eyes. We'll split this part into two equal parts. This will be the top of the eyes. We'll divide this section into 3 equal squares. We use the center line to split the middle square in half. Try to make these squares as equal as possible. The second square is the distance between the eyes. The distance between the eyes is the same as the eye size. The base of the circle represents Luffy's chin. We'll now delineate the center of this section. And then again, to help us draw Luffy's jaw. The mark we've made before will be the mouth. Returning to the eyes, in the first square we draw an eye. A dot for the pupil. We draw the other eye in the same way, into the third square. Extend these lines slightly so we can see where the end and beginning of the brow are. Now, the nose, which has a shape like this. Luffy's ears start from the center of his eyes and end at the level of his mouth. We cut this part in half and extend the center line. Try the extension to be equal with this section. Then we draw a curved line that starts from the top of the first ear and finishes at the top of the second ear. This will help us to draw the hair. The neck. We extend the center line as much as possible because it will serve the center of the body. A horizontal line a bit lower than the base of the neck. Make 2 circles for the shoulders and join them like this. In the right part of the first circle, draw a curved line. This will be Luffy's underarm. We do the same thing to the other part. Let's draw Luffy's hat now. A little above the hair, we draw an oval. Something like this. For the top of the hat, we make a rectangle. And inside of it, we draw a kind of arch. Some details of the ears. The hair from the back of the neck. Luffy's jacket. His clavicle. Luffy's X-shaped scar on his chest. add some details to the hat by drawing some curved lines in different sizes for the straw texture. Don't forget about the scar under his eye. This is the sketch. Now I will contour it with the liner. Done. This is the final result. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, if you haven't already, because it's free and it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching, and until next time, all the best.